BC Bay Area's microclimate weather, certified most accurate in the Bay Area by WeatherRate.
All right, at one point we had more water than we knew what to do with here the last couple of months. Now quite the exact opposite situation where we're dealing with all this heat, Karen.
Yeah, and I'm going to talk about that because the fact that we had so much rain in the winter, it's still carrying us over, even though the weeds and everything are dying as we look at those brown hills. Here's a live look at three of our microclimates right now, the Tri-Valley and Pleasanton. It's already 76 degrees. Those temperatures warming up fast. It's 65 in the peninsula, more sunshine there, 62 degrees in the East Bay, and San Francisco now at 55 degrees, 67 in the North Bay. And then look at these high temperatures today. We're doing a little bit better here, but it's still well above average, reaching 83 degrees in Cupertino, Morgan Hill up to 86 degrees and 89 degrees in Danville today. Oakland up to 74 for the peninsula, 60 at Half Moon Bay. That fog will not clear today. And then you go on the other side of the hills in Palo Alto, it's 81 degrees for the high. We're also going to see the fog around the Marina District, the outer Sunset, and the temperatures there will stay in the 50s, while the Mission District now all clear up to 64 degrees today. In Napa, 86 degrees, mostly sunny skies, and we keep it sunny in Santa Rosa too, a high of 81 degrees. So we're looking at Oakland, it's 62 degrees. Right on the other side, we have the A's that will be playing tonight, and we're going to have some nice weather for the game. Now, some of the seats out at the game will be $5, so maybe something you'll want to check out to enjoy all of this beautiful weather and the sunshine. It'll be in the low 60s and then dropping back into the upper 50s. So don't forget some long sleeves, something to keep you nice and warm as those temperatures cool off. And we talked about all of the rain that we had. And if we don't get another drop of rain for this water year, we are still above the normal amount that we get for the water year. In Santa Rosa, we had 60 inches of rain. That's 170% of normal. In Oakland, we had close to 30 inches of rain. That was 141%. And for San Jose, with just over 18 inches, we had 120% of the normal amount of rain for the whole water year. So we're doing pretty well, even with no more rain in this forecast. And it's going to stay in the low 60s in San Francisco, morning clouds, and then some afternoon sunshine. For the inland areas, expected to reach up to 89 degrees, more sun. And then look at how these temperatures drop over the next few days. Friday will be the coolest day in the forecast, and that leads us into a nice Memorial Day weekend with highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. If you're making plans to hit the road, or if you want to check out some local events, I'll have a look at that forecast coming up a little bit later. Chris and Sam.